Michelin. A better way forward.
Michelin, 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 Michelin.
สวัสดีค่ะ
สวัสดีค่ะ
Okay, so please introduce yourself.
My name is Sun Young and I'm working in the Michelin here. And if you ask me the personal, I'm actually the Korean-born Australian, but working in Thailand. And my department is Progress Team.
And what kind of business is your company running?
Do you know the Michelin? What product we produce?
The
Wheel.
tire.
The tire.
Wheel and tire, okay, not wheel. So Michelin is manufacturer for tire. Yeah, that's our big business. But not only for tire business, we are working for Michelin Red Book, so which means for Michelin Guide. So if you go to some of restaurant and hotel, there's something Michelin star rating. That's also part of our business. So mainly we're working for tire business and also consumer experience business for Michelin Red Book Guide. And also we have a lot of different services and solutions linked with automobile and tire industry and how we can provide some kind of digital service to our customers. Yeah, and also high-tech materials. So we have some 3D machine printing and etc. And there's some bio other product we also produce.
Okay, and how did you get into this field of business?
Okay, it's not my choice to entering the business. It's for my major. So I was looking for my job because my major is for ISIT, computer science for artificial intelligence. So I was working for IT industry and the project management. So when I'm looking for the job, I was looking for what kind of a position is available in the market, and then look for the company. And the Michelin is one of the biggest company I know. I think everyone knows it.
Yeah.
So I was interested and applied the job and how I can get the job here.
Okay. And how long have you joined the company?
It's 11 years. I joined the company from Michelin Australia, and then I transferred to Thailand. So I've been here since 2014.
So it's 6
Yeah, it's about 6 years. Yeah.
6 years. When is the peak period of gaining the profit since you have been working here?
For my 11 years time.
Yeah.
To be honest, every year we have gain and more and more. It's more peak period. However, this year we had very difficult situation because it's not for Michelin business. It's for all around the world.
Yeah.
You know that there's big crisis moment.
Yes.
So I think we are quite heavy period at this moment to make our business back on the track. And also happy for our community and etc. So I can say peak period, every single moment is our peak period.
We should work here.
Yes.
Who are your company's competitor and how does your company compete with them?
Yes, of course, the other tire manufacturers are our competitors. But we're not only working for tire industry, we are working for all the mobility industry. So it could be potential competitors can be Amazon because they are starting to delivering for tires. Then our distribution channel will be changed. So we're not really dedicated to the tire competitors. It could be whoever else will be our competitors. For my job, because I'm working for internal consulting activity, so external consulting firm will be my competitors for the job point of view. Yeah.
Then what are your responsibilities in the company?
I'm working for Progress Department. It's for more internal consultant team. So we're providing some advice of management team in terms of organization or process transformations and any other company relating to strategic projects. We are working in our team.
And what are skills needed in this position, like in your working position?
Okay, because we are dealing with so many different business domains, so we could be dispatched for the marketing and sales projects, or it could be HR projects and finance projects. So we need to be very fast learner and also very good listen because you guys doing the understanding and
So we
whenever
can-
our business, they're talking and they require for some problems they want to solve, and we need to understand very carefully and also try to make the solution to provide those, our department or our internal partners. Yeah. Okay.
And according to the previous question, how did you get these skills?
Skills. I had the fundamental academic skill like you guys probably, but you have to experience. So when I joined the company very junior level, I learned whatever I can learn from my predecessor or my managers or my team. And after that, your job required a certain level of certifications. Then you need to study, and you get the extra certification to prove you are capable to do your jobs, etc. So it depends on where you're gonna be working. If you're working for marketing, maybe different skill required: market analysis, market insight. If you are working for HR, your job, your skill more how you interact with the people, how to communicate with the people.
And as working in this position, what is the obstacle you face?
What is obstacles? It's for me, is myself sometimes very obstacles because you have to have confidence and you have to believe yourself. And then sometimes, many times you deal with other people, you can feel about somehow these people are think about me, think about my professionalism. No one actually think about things. It's just for your perception. So sometimes myself is blocking point to move myself. But except this part, you always have blocking point because we are dealing with different business, different people, and the behaviors are different. So that's quite a big challenge for me.
And what is the best experience working here so far?
Because our company is international company, so I have so many experience with working with a different country of people. So people from Thailand, people from France, people from Korea. So many different interaction I can make it, and also have some business trip. So this is really stressful because your business trip is not your travel or your holiday. You have to deliver something, but on top of that, you can see different culture and country culture or company culture and different food experience, etc. So that's quite good experience.
And how do you balance your working life and your professional life?
My work or my personal?
Yeah, my
Okay, good questions. But if you are professional enough, you can manage your time. Yeah, and for me, I do have a very good time management. Sometimes I have my daily plan. So every morning I wake up, I do some kind of stretching, and I also doing reading before coming to the work, because I always put something. I want to finish my book. 2 books, one at home, one in the company. During my lunch break time, I'm also reading the book. So which means I have my personal time I can spend, but at the same time you have to work and be smart. Do not work too hard to do everything. To think about the first. You're using your brain. What is the most important thing to complete? Then you're gonna be more faster.
And how has technology such as computer and internet impacted on how you conduct the business?
Nowadays, all this technology is moving very fast. Probably you guys never seen like in a beeper. It's not a phone, it's people call you, then you got the number, you have to call back. You never seen this one?
We don't know that.
See, that was very high technology before. We have phone, we cannot make it, but you can receive only. That also we had this kind of the phone. Every year we have so many different technology come up, and then nowadays you are very exposed every different technology. For us, it's gonna be impact for all our business because we used to using for desktop, but now it's more laptop, now it's more tablet, now it's more the mobile phone. We can have a more connection with our customers and also employees 24/7 days. So have to be very early adapt all those technology, and this technology really help us to be more fast react to our customers and employees. Yeah.
And are there any similarities and differences working with people from different cultures? And what are they?
Yes, of course, because it's country cultures are different, and you have different religions. Let's say Thai people more Buddhist, and probably other countries maybe different religions. It will impact for your behaviors as well. So. When I'm working with different country, the first thing is we learn is for how to respect the country culture. Yeah, so that's something different. But you know, you are the human being. I'm the human being. You are the lady, and I'm the same. So that's not change. It's all the same. Yeah. So just be yourself, and if you really respect the others, other people also respect you.
And the next question is, how do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
Next 5 years, I'm probably somewhere. Yeah, I don't know where it could be. It could be Thailand, or it could be Singapore, or it could be in Australia. It's up to my direction as well. It's not only for company, and how I want to be settled down is my choice, and where my career can be continue also my choice. So it have to make balance for your career plan, plus how company can give you opportunity as well. Yeah.
And the last question is, what would you suggest to graduating students?
For you guys?
Yeah.
Well, I think do what you can do now. So practice for this kind of your major and things, and try to find many opportunity utilize for your network. Like Kun Min, your relatives, one of my colleagues, and then she contact me. So we have this kind of connections. So networking and connections are very important for you guys because you never had the experience. So you will have some insight for other company or other business that are working. Not only for company, you could start your own business. If you have ideas, why not? And you can benchmark for those startup company, how they actually work and how they actually utilize their ideas to be business, etc.
Thank you so much.
ขอบคุณค่ะ